Is your roof showing signs of wear, but you're not sure if it needs to be repaired or replaced? You're not alone. In this video, I'm going to be able to break it down step by step for you, so you can stop guessing and make the right choice. How do you decide between roof repair or roof replacement? There's no one-size-fits-all answer, but here are 3 questions you should ask yourself. Number 1, how old is your roof? If it's 15 years old or newer, you may be looking at a repair. If it's pushing 20 years or more, replacement could possibly be a smarter idea. Question number 2, how long do you plan on residing in your home? If you're moving soon, a repair may make more sense. And number 3, what's your budget? Repairs cost less upfront, but if you're spending more than 30% of a full replacement cost, it may not be worth it long term. Here are signs you may just need a roof repair. You may only need a roof repair if you're seeing a localized leak, which may be associated with a compromised shingle or maybe even a pipe. If you're missing or damaged shingles, damage that may only be limited to one section or one roof facet, or your repair cost is less than 30% of a full roofing install. In these cases, a roof repair could extend the life of your roof and also save you money. When is roof replacement the smarter choice? Generally, repairs are kind of just buying time. I would describe it as kicking the can down the road. You're better off replacing your roof, a full roof replacement, if you see any of the following: curling, cracked, or bald shingle. Signs of rot, structural damage, dirt, molds are signs as well. Damage from previous poor installation. Major storm damage, especially from hail or wind, which may not be noticeable to the customer, but we'll be able to help you through that. Or if you're filing an insurance claim, which we can help you with, it'll make the replacement more cost effective. If any of this sounds familiar, roof replacement gives you peace of mind and protects not just your family, but your investment, being your house. What's the lifespan of your roof type? Different materials will last different lengths of time. Asphalt shingles generally last 20 to 30 years. Metal roofing can last from 40 to 70 years. Slate or tile can last, believe it or not, 50 to 100 years. And synthetic and composite materials vary, but it's usually around 30 to 50 years, depending on your exposure to the sun. So if you know what you have, you can start to gauge where you are in the roofing life cycle. How much does it cost to replace or repair a roof? Repairs generally can cost from a few hundred to a couple $1,000s. Full replacements generally, depending on the size of your home, will start around $7,000, but they can go well beyond that depending on the size of your home and products used. But here's the thing, while replacement is more expensive up front, it will 100% increase your home's resale value, lowers your utility bills through better insulation. It'll also help you avoid recurring repair costs. These can really add up over time. We also offer a multitude of financing options, so you're not stuck making the decision based on the cash you have on hand. What are the benefits of a roof replacement? A full roof replacement could be one of the best investments you make on your home. You'll get better energy efficiency and lower bills, peace of mind knowing your roof is code compliant and weather ready, and a boost in resale value, especially if you're planning on selling in the next few years. Plus, it's one less thing to worry about. Are you still unsure which way to go? That's what William Penn Roofing is here for. We'll walk your roof, take photos, fly a drone, and give you a clear assessment of the best next step or the best next approach, so you can do what's right for your home.